welcome one, welcome all. God, here we are. So we're cleaning the closet. I'm cleaning our closet out because it's been a mess. I posted a picture on Insta stories that this is where I'm gonna be. Posted a couple questionnaires for you guys to answer as far as what you guys want to see from me coming into the new year. I'm talking very fast, but I have a lot to say. Okay, so posted a questionnaire on Insta stories, what you guys want to see from me, what you guys want to see more of, what you guys want to see less of. I'm gonna be honest, it's been very hard keeping up with YouTube. I have videos that I have ready to go to put live, but a lot of them I don't know if they would sit well with the public as far as like gathering in groups more than 3 or 4 or 5. I don't know if anybody would care. I don't know if that many people would watch the videos, but I'm keeping those on reserve until things lift or whatever. But honestly, there's local people gathering, more people than 5 or 10. Yeah, but okay. On the futon. Okay, I want to just get this done as fast as I can. So basically, I'm just going to challenge myself to record this video, show y'all what I'm doing, and get it up on YouTube by tomorrow. That is a challenge. Because first of all, it's so hard for me not to put in, you know, fancy edits and all that kind of stuff and make it cute and make it funny. But I just need to get to the point where I just post and I not try to get myself to a point where it has to be a certain way or look a certain way or whatever. I just need to do it and post. So this is the kind of video that it's going to be. And you're just going to be in here with me cleaning. A lot of it is almost kind of done. I did a majority of it. If you don't follow me on Snapchat, I did a lot of it on there. I showed a little bit of what I did. But there's things all over the place. Bathroom is in shambles. Bed is definitely in shambles. But the closet is good. Going through stuff, sorting, hanging stuff up, cleaning, organizing the bedroom, organizing the bathroom. There's a lot of stuff I want to do, but for now we can only do what we can with what we have. And especially coming into 2021, I cannot have our room looking like this. We need to like turbo quick this, doing this, because baby is downstairs sleeping. So I just want to do as much as we can, finish. Also trying to be a person of my word. When I say I'm going to do something, I want to do it and finish it and complete it, and not be like what I'm exactly doing right now, procrastinating and talking to the camera. But right now I am currently getting off all of this lint off of my black jeans. This is what happens when all you want to wear is cozy white cream colored sweaters with black jeans. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. I can't stress how much of a challenge this is going to be to edit this thing and get it up by tomorrow, because that is the challenge that I'm telling myself right now, to edit this thing, finish this, and get this video up tomorrow. That means I'm going to have to do thumbnail tonight and have all of it ready, but I'm up for the challenge. So let's just finish lint rolling this jean as much as I can, not too much, just the majority, because this baby, like I said, was covered. Y'all. So this is the after. That side is kind of stuff. This side is mine, and the center is baby's. I do not like these white shelves like this. I want them like 2-tier, because there's so much more potential to this closet than just these white shelves here. Can you see one a little higher and then one a little lower? Then you can have 2 places to hang clothes. You know what I'm saying? Thankfully, these are only screw-in shelves, so you can easily unscrew and do what you want, right? Baby section, Kane section, my section, and then all of the stuff that we had up here, all of those bags are just full of bags. These bags used to be here. Maybe I'll just keep those there and then put whatever baby stuff up there that I want to keep. This is the room situation. Tell me if you can find my husband. Hello. This is all the stuff we had in there. That's gonna go out and into our spare room, one of the spare rooms. And I'm gonna do a major, well, not major, but I'm gonna do a massive donate stuff. I don't know why I didn't think of donating clothes before, but I had to, trying to live the minimal life, you know what I mean? Which I kind of contradict myself, because then I buy more clothes. I don't know what I'm doing, where I'm going. But okay, so we have the jeans here. I'm just keeping my jeans on this shelf for now until I can get them hung up on a hanger. These gray shelves, these cheapo things from Target, they work. They do the job. They were cheap. They did what I needed them to do. We had them when we were in our smaller room in Kuheana, and they worked fine, but they are just not. I stacked them like this. They don't come like that. Hello. I stacked these shelves one on top of the other. So they each individually have 3 shelves. I just stacked them because they just open up the space a little bit more. I mean, one little portion, that baby is gone. I don't know if we're gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And then, yeah, where do we go from here? I do not know. Okay, this is shower stuff, baby stuff. You got hangers for me, babe? I gotta look through my stuff now. Leave that there, and you can come with me over here. I just have you on my little stand here. sorry. This is all stuff that needs to be washed.
Don't put anything back in the closet so I can vacuum it.
Huh?
You want to vacuum in here?
Not right now. Downside is we don't have a washer dry right now, so we actually have to go to the laundromat. You know, we have to take things in strides. We bought a refrigerator, one thing at a time. Honey, can I make a suggestion?
What?
Show me that red shirt. The one you said to hang up. Yep. I think it's time.
This one?
As well as that cream colored one that's already hanging up in there. First of all, you never wear it. Oh, these are the new Skim shorts that I actually have a haul video to edit too. I do like a full try on and everything. So I'll get that one up as soon as possible. But like I said, this one is gonna go up, right? Tomorrow. Today is Sunday. We're just trying to go minimal clothes wise, girl, and then you just wait till I show you the other container of stuff. Ugh. And then I have stuff from Molokai and things that I have there, so ugh. And honestly, I feel like we do this every time. We've gone through our stuff so many times because we've lived in so many different places. You'd think we'd be pretty much barren at this point, like nothing, but no, we still seem to occupy stuff and have more things. All right, progress so far. Wash, hang, undergarments. This is all stuff to donate until I get to my box, or my container I should say. All right, like I said, see, this is the container of clothes, a lot of which that I'm gonna go through and donate. So far this stuff is donate, you know, and there's like sentimental pieces in here that I'm not, because I'm obviously not going to donate Manola. And honestly, this should have been hung up from the very beginning. So she's going to go there. And then I just have clothes, like this was from high school, Kamehameha School Championships, Kamehameha School Champions, 2009. But this is like a 4X, I think, adult 3X. I got it for the purposes of wearing to sleep, but I don't think I want it anymore. And also because my name is on it. I managed the boys football team for 2 years. There it is. Tori Garnett, Kylie Aki, Kapua France, and Alisana Kanahele. To keep or not to keep. Sentimental, but honestly, never gonna wear again. What I should do is just cut this out. Hey, there's a Rasmussen on here. Where is he?
Corey?
Yeah, where is his name? What number was Corey? I can't remember. Corey! 61. Corey with a K. Oh my gosh, and then this is my mom and dad's reunion shirt, and his name is on it. God, I don't know what to do with stuff like this. I'm never gonna wear this shirt, and this is too small, I think.
Yeah, this is the shirts that I got from you to match, but you don't want it.
Yeah, you know why? It's too small.
At that time.
No, at that time it was too small. I have a love-hate relationship with these shawls. This one is from Hawaii's Finest, but it is cute to just like throw over. It's very like local Hawaii girl. Period. Yeah. Yeah, I'll keep this one. But if I'm not wearing it in the first 6 months of 2021, it's going, girl. No. You know what? I'll donate that. Oh, headband. Oh, we got a book, Pride and Prejudice, that I've only ever read half of. You know, Jane Austen language, it's like otherworldly, and I can't keep up. This is cute. This is from Fashion Nova, I think. The problem with this is it hugs nicely here, but then when it gets here, it's loose. I tend to have to tie it with like a rubber band in the front, and I don't like that. So for that reason, she's gonna have to be donated. It's cute though. Oh, here we go. This is a piece. This is I was feeling fierce. I was feeling a little spicy, and I thought, you know, I'll just step out of my comfort zone and get something yellow and green. Took it up to my brother's graduation from officer school in Alabama. Wore it once, never wore it again. It's from, where is this from? Missing Polynesia. I like it because it's a quarter length sleeve, but it does scrunch here, which I do not like. It comes down past the knee, and it comes with a little tie here. So keep it hanging in my closet, and then I'll post it on my Like to Know It and see if anybody wants to buy it. Or no, it's actually Poshmark. Or I can actually take a picture of it on Insta story and see if anybody wants to buy it. I do have to. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. The pink sweaters. Oh, I love these big, bold letters. This one was cute because it had like a neon sleeve. Once upon a time, this used to be holographic, but I guess after washing it so many times, it's like 5 years old, I think, so it's not holographic anymore. Manola. I'll probably do that on Insta stories. I can do that on Insta stories. Yes. Just say, does anybody want to buy these? Hey, hit me up. I honestly do not want this anymore.
What?
And I bought it with my own money. Actually, why am I asking you? I bought it with my own money. I can do what I want with it. I can bless somebody with the love of wine eye. You didn't even get rid of anything?
Get rid of like 2 things. Maybe 4.
I swear this man, he holds on to clothes like he holds on to it for dear life, I tell you. But they sit in the container. They never see the light of day. This was, look at that, I still have the tag on here. You don't want to see how much it was. But it's like a cute lingerie piece.
I remember that.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. Oh my gosh. Forgot about this. Remember this little chili pepper piece. It's a little expose, if you know what I mean. Oh, it's ripped. Okay, don't eat it. I don't want this here.
Are you serious?
It looks like a puncture on me. It looks absolutely horrible. Spent like a fortune, 80 bucks on this swimsuit when we had a women's conference at one of the resorts. I think it was the Wailea Resort, and one of the little shops had this piece. It's still my favorite. It's like crisscross body type like that, and then it cuts low in the front like that, right? Cute. This is by the brand La Blanca, and then it's in a US 16. I love it. All right, almost done. Got to the bottom. Guys, we reached the bottom. All right, so far this pile, gonna go in there. That stuff is gonna get hung. This stuff I want to keep. Still looking through that. Yeah, figuring out what to do with that. All right, let me just get this done and I'll be back in a minute. All right, made the bed as best as I could. Progress so far, right? 10 out of 10. I was even thinking of putting LED lights in here, but there's no outlet to plug lights in. So maybe I can just put like the clicky ones. I don't know, just zhuzh it up a little bit in here. All of her pieces here. We found some acrylic hangers, some for her pants and her little leggings. And then I did a little something to the top of her shelf here. My mommy got her that bear when she was first born. And then this is my side right here. I do not like these black hangers. I wouldn't mind if they were acrylic, but it's just my thing. I'm gonna get suede ones like this if I can find any, or at least something white, something close to this color here. I don't know if I want to keep these in the middle or keep them there, because obviously there's not too much space. Can you imagine like a shelf up there and then a shelf here? So just imagine this raised a little bit more and then one more of this a little bit lower. You know how much space that would open up? Not saying that I want these shelves in particular, but like I said earlier, they can come up pretty easily. So, and then her top drawer, her immediate clothes, tank tops, onesies, jumpsuits, sleepers, just the ones that she can fit now. These are all her clothes that are 3 to 6 months, which obviously are gonna come to an end pretty soon because she's gonna be 6 months. Keep in mind, this stuff can also fit a 3-month-old, so you know, kind of squeezing it, but you know, making it work. And then second drawer are her older girl stuff, I guess. These are 9-month clothes. These back here are 12 months, 9 to 12. Some of them are 12. And then these are her sets. So these can actually fit her right now, but I just wanted to keep the sets together, so I put them in the second drawer. Yeah, this is 6 to 9. This one is 6 to 9. And then she has a couple of overalls. Oh my God, I can't wait till she can wear that one. And then this one here is 12. And then she has a couple of other tank tops down there that are also 12 months. And then the last drawer, headbands. So I was like, this one I got her for Christmas. These are really cute, really elastic. They're not tight on her, but for some reason she still gets the headband marks. Even these headband ones, for some reason she still gets like that indent, that mark from it, I guess, being too tight. So I mean, they kind of have to be a little tight to stay on their head, so I understand. And then these are just extra swaddles, and then those down there. Oh, this one is mine, remember, just my undergarments. And then those two on the bottom are Connie's. But yeah, that's the progress so far. Now I'm gonna tackle this. I want it to be done by 7 o'clock, but it's after 8 already, going on 8:30, so I need to hurry this up. I don't know if baby's still sleeping. I don't even know where my husband is. I'm gonna try and get through it. I'm gonna not film because I'm trying to get it done, but I'll pick it up when I do finish, if I do finish, and what happens here. Oh my Jesus. And oh my gosh, isn't this just clean? And then you have my husband's side. And then this is the final look for the closet. I don't know if I think I showed you guys already, but I need to figure out what to do with that. That is her baby carrier from Nuna. Very expensive. We have used it. It's just really bulky, but it is still good, especially if you're going on long walks. That is it. Down in here, clean. Right. Oh, this is, we didn't need to organize this. It was already organized. Some diaper rash cream, some of her burp rags, bibs, wipes, diapers, her Q-tips, and then our Q-tips there. The second drawer, washcloths, which we could actually take out of these. And then this is our medicine bag, her little robe, and then, why am I showing you guys this? This is what we did, okay? That is empty. That's going to go in the other room. And then this is stuff that I want to sell or see if anybody wants to buy it on my IG stories. And yeah. That's about it. It is 9 o'clock. My baby is downstairs. I'm hungry. I need to work on my vision board. We did get a lot done. Thank you so much. High five. Thank you so much for joining me. We got a lot done. Cleaned the closet, cleaned the vanity, cleaned down there, got everything together, got rid of a lot of stuff. Oh, by the way, that container is a container that's going to be donated. All of that stuff in there. I'm so happy. We're getting rid of more stuff. But thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, this is going to be an unedited, I mean, it's going to be edited, but not like anything fancy. I'm just going to cut it, paste, put it together, and upload it tomorrow. Oh my God. Because I'm so like perfectionist-ish and I gotta get the thumbnail and everything done, but it'll get done, I promise, and it'll be up. We're gonna end it here. I love you guys very much. Love you. Jesus loves you. Thank you for joining me and helping me get my life together, and I'll see you very soon on the next video. Well, when I first met you, then thought you were nothing. You were just sitting on the couch without a jacket. We didn't say a word. Who would have thought that this would happen?